Going on, Family Black Feniks checking in, the owner of HogOn Welding and the founder of HogOn University. I was asked about my independent welding courses, and are they just for local or are they nationwide, and can people actually come in and get involved in them? Yes, you can. So my courses run from 30 hours. I have 8-hour courses. I have 2 days, 1 week, depends on what you're trying to do. My goal is to help you on your budget and your schedule and help you get some education and help you be able to take your life to the next level. So if that's you, most definitely I teach. I don't care where you at. If you want to come here to Columbus, Georgia and network with me, feel free to come down. I'm working on some Airbnb situations. Don't have them lined out right now, but I am working on to have my own to be able to offer for those who want to come down and spend a week or so to get some independent welding. So if that's you, stay in tune. Check out the website at www.HogOn2017.com. That's www.HogOn2017.com. And the business line is 706-888-4337. Hold on.